Today is the day, the moment we all been waiting for. Today is the 10th of December in India time, and today the Fed interest rate decisions will be out. Today, I think at 10 p.m. in India time, the Fed Jeremy Powell, the chairman, will be coming and giving its speech. We'll talk about both technical, we'll talk about both liquidation price point of view, we'll talk about what's for Bitcoin and Bitcoin ETF flow. So first, we have a lot to discuss. First, we'll start with the technicals. Now, I'm sure if you are on social media or if you're on Twitter, you know about this pattern. Bitcoin is following in this trend line and the resistance is now close to 94,000 to $95,000. So the upper ceiling for Bitcoin is around $95,000 to $94,000, and the downside, the Bitcoin is following this channel, the trend line. So yes, the market has been consolidating. If you look at observe the Bitcoin is consolidating between these zones, right? Clearly the Bitcoin, the whole crypto market is waiting for what will be the Fed interest rate decisions. More than this, we have to watch the commentary is very, very important. And what's the Jeremy Powell looks say about the future outlook of US economy. That will be the more important than the interest rate decisions. Now, clearly, the people are expecting 90% chance is there that the Fed will cut the interest rate. But we have to see what will be the commentary, right? We have to focus on the commentary more than the interest rate. So, Bitcoin has already positioned itself for 25 basis point rate cut. If there's anything about 25% rate cut, then the Bitcoin will close. Even I won't be surprised if Bitcoin will start trading above $100,000, right? So 50 basis point is very unlikely that the Fed will cut 50 basis point, but 25 basis point is what market has been expecting. So yes, now let's talk about the liquidation. What with the liquidation? So the major liquidation is around 94,000, close to $95,000. So $95,000, $1.69 billion worth of positions gonna get liquidated at $95,000, right? As you can see, the longs are total longs are close to like 9.63 billion. The longs are getting increased, the shorts are getting increased, and longs are also getting increased. So yes, on downside, if you look at 87,676, $2.72 billion worth of longs, leverage longs gonna get liquidated, and here the $95,000. So the trend line is around here. The market has been consolidating, so I believe that market will tap $95,000, grab the liquidity, and from there the market will head towards $70,000. So this is my game plan. So looking for a shorting opportunity close to $95,000 to $70,000. So this is my trade plan. I believe market the liquidity level, and from there it will go to downward directions. Now, what's in for Bitcoin? Now, if you look at here, the Fed made decision not cut interest rate Wednesday is unlikely. But if the Fed is more concerned about the inflation than the job market, it may opt to wait a little longer. Now, what does that mean? If Fed commentary will focus more on inflations than the job market, this is a negative for the US economy. So yes, even for the Bitcoin, from there, if they will focus more on inflation, if they will say anything negative about the inflation, then from there the Bitcoin can start correcting more towards the 70,000 levels. So yes, we have to watch it very, very closely. The main thing is commentary. So if I talk about the Bitcoin ETF flow, right now, if you look at the BlackRock, right, the biggest institutions, they on 5th of December they have sold $32 million, $113 million, and their inflow of $28 million. So they have been relentlessly selling. We have seen the selling in ETF. The ETF flow are not as much as active what it was the movement days before, months before. So people are selling their cryptocurrencies. They all are waiting what will the Fed commentary, and from there the fresh positions will be taken. So this is what the quick update I wanted to show you. Today is the day. Today the moment we all been waiting for, and finally we'll understand what will be the future outlook for the crypto market and for the whole market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.